Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a rice mask for face at home. Mix 2 tablespoon rice flour with 1 tablespoon milk and 1 tsp honey until smooth to make a spreadable paste. Apply a thin layer to cleansed skin, avoiding the eye area, and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse gently with warm water and pat dry, then follow with your regular moisturizer. Start by measuring 2 tablespoon rice flour into a small bowl for consistency. Add 1 tablespoon liquid, such as milk or almond milk, and 1 tsp honey for hydration and gentle exfoliation. Stir slowly to eliminate lumps and test a small amount on the wrist for sensitivity. If too thick, add drops of liquid until spreadable. If too thin, add a pinch more rice flour to thicken the mask comfortably for application. Use clean hands or a brush to apply a thin, even layer across your face, avoiding eyes and lips. Let the mask work for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water while massaging gently to exfoliate. Pat skin dry and apply a gentle moisturizer. If heading outdoors, add SPF to protect brightened skin. Repeat 1 to 3 times, weekly depending on your skin's tolerance and hydration needs for gradual improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.